All right, I'm packing up the first real, I should say, Varg street legal kit. I've sold some in the past, but they weren't exactly designed exactly how I wanted them to be. They still worked. I just wanted it to get wiring lengths all dialed in so that they don't have to shorten any wires, things like that. But this is basically all ready to go, so I'll show you how I pack these up normally. I'm giving him a bar end mirror with this. I'm going to put that on the bottom, and then I put these headlights on it as well, because this is all foam, you know, so that just protects the bar mount, and it saves me a little space. Now these are the bar mounts, just in case he needs them. I'm hoping that the triple clamp mounts are going to work just fine, but I'm sending him these anyway so that he can try out both and let me know what works better. And then I've got the banjo bolt, which you can do more than one if you need it, but I'm just sending him the one for the front brake for now. If he wants another one later, I'll just send it to him for free. And then we've got the little cap for the battery pack and everything. The battery pack itself, put that in next. This is going to be a tight fit in here. And this is the whole power harness that goes to the battery pack. This is the relay for it. He'll probably just end up zip tying this up as well. Let's see. Okay, tuck it in there like that. And then this is the plate mount, which, you know, I might actually take this off of this really quick. Okay, took that off just so that it's easier to package. I'll slide this guy down in here. And I normally put the tail light in a little bit of bubble wrap, especially if there's a plate light on it. I don't have a plate light for this yet, but I will be doing that before I actually offer these for sale for everybody. Tuck that in there. This is going to be a tight fit like I was thinking. And here's the whole front harness with everything on it. We got the blinkers, the horn, the bar switch, banjo bolt plug, high beam switch, all of that is on there. So let's try and coil this up as good as I can. Put it all in there, just about like that. Not a lot of room on this one, that's for sure. Should have just bought a bigger box to send it in, but these are also some newer blinker mounts. These are just a little bit thicker. I have had a couple people tell me that they've broken and I've sent them new ones. But if yours break, let me know and I'll send you new ones. But these are a lot thicker, so they should be a lot more sturdy. Shouldn't have any issues. So I'm sending you those as well because I just barely got them like a few minutes ago. And there's the zip ties for the whole thing. Oh, you got to put this in here too. This is the wire for the tail light. Then we'll put in the zip ties. And I'm sending you a bunch of stickers too. So if you want to give them to your buddies or whatever, there they are. And these are the instructions. A lot of people don't see this, but there's a drill template for the tail light, and it's kind of the shape of the tail light so that you know what you're doing with it. Put that in there too. And it all barely fits. So send this off to you today, and you'll have to test fit it on your bike and let me know what works, what could be a little bit better, and so forth. And then I'm hoping maybe by next week I'll be able to sell these to everybody. So once again, for everybody else that will be buying one of these soon, this is definitely way more than you'll be getting For the base kit, just pay attention to the description of the item, and that will say exactly what you're going to get. The normal kit's going to have half the capacity of a battery pack, and it's not going to come with the plate mount already. You're going to have to pay extra for that. Same thing with the mirror, same thing with the high beam switch, all of that stuff. But if you want any of that, it really doesn't cost that much more. I feel like my prices are pretty dang competitive. So anyway, that's about it for this video. I'll send this off to my buddy in Texas who's going to be testing this out for me.